Yo, what up YouTube BX? This is your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me Tomahawk. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right here. It is a camera mount. So basically what this do is go inside my camera. So basically, I can cool down my fan on my new Sony ZV-E 10 Mark II. Because it gets hot when I do 4K 60 recording, or if I'm streaming, it just gets really hot. So I brought this one for particularly one reason. So let me show you right now. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So I'm gonna show you exactly the reason why I brought this one instead of the Ulanzi one. This one is a little bit better, but I kind of want to get the Ulanzi one. I probably will get the Ulanzi one at a later time. I just want to see how this one will work out. So let's get this out the way. So we got the cord right here. Nice, good cord. And here's the actual fan piece right here. Just that. There we go. Hopefully it has a little bit of juice inside of it. Okay, so basically you squeeze it down like that. So does it have a little bit of juice? No, it does not. It has no juice. Damn, what is all that on here? This is why I like to have wet naps. Let me go grab some wet naps really quick to clean that off. Give me a second. Well, not wet naps. Alcohol pads. Most likely it's due towards the weather and depending on how long it's been sitting inside the freaking case or bag. I just want to clean that up. Yeah, I think it was sitting inside the case for a long time. This might have been sitting inside the case for a very long time. Got a lot of moisture on it. This is why I normally wear gloves, but it's coming out of Amazon's warehouse, so. As you can see, this thing is like scratched up. I don't know if that's film over it or what. But it was in the baggie. It's inside the plastic right here. So most likely it must have just been heat, moisture, whatever on here. As you can see right there, it's moist right there. So is there? I'm trying to see if there's any foam tape. Nope. I don't think it is. Yes, it is. I got no nails to actually peel it. There we go. There we go right there. So yeah, put that over there. That's the whole reason why I pretty much keep things like that, like wet naps and just things like that, just to clean my hands basically when I'm doing things like that, because the simple fact is that you never know what you're going to get on these things. So let me just get some more alcohol pads just to clean my hands and stuff like that. That's the beauty of doing things like this, that I can walk around because I got the microphone connected to my chest. So I just want to clean my hands a little bit. I'm just cleaning my hands a little bit. All that stuff. I am double gonna rewash my hands because whatever that may have been on it, like I said, it was in the closed packet, but moisture, whatever, it's probably sitting inside the warehouse for dumb long, and obtain a lot of moisture on there, heat, whatever. This does happen to a lot of plastic type of things. So let me bring one over my cords. Where is my cord? We want to plug this in really quick. Okay, there we go. And yeah, this thing is like picking up a lot of fingerprints and like moisture and stuff on here. So let's just cleaning this thing up really quick. I'm thinking that this thing is just going to get moist real quick. All right, let's take it off real quick. Okay, the fan is not that powerful, but what I'm going to do is, this is basically meant for this. So you pop this on here like that for your battery. If I can slide this in here. If I can get that in, there we go. Slide that in, and you'll be able to charge your battery while this is on the fan, as so. So you charge it up, everything like that. So that's the reason why I got it. So I'm gonna have to let this thing sit for a few to charge this thing up real quick. And, as you can see right there, it's just the moisture. So basically, I guess after some times of holding in a certain place, it just gets like that. So most likely that plastic's been sitting on it for so damn long, it just got to the point it just got a lot of moist. As you can see right there, it's dissipating right there. Yeah, so this thing must have been sitting in a hot location for some time. I mean, it's not that strong. Oh, now I'm feeling it. 50. I mean, it's something to try to keep it done. But yeah, guys, this is it right here. This is the reason why I brought it. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Here's the instruction manual, which is all in Chinese. Okay, here we go right here. Yeah, so heat sink, everything like that. So I'm gonna charge this thing up, see how it does. I'm gonna do a test with it and see exactly how everything handles with this thing. So I am gonna catch you guys later. Let's get half of this stuff out the way. I brought this in here just to wipe my hands down. I'm gonna just wipe it down one last time before I actually start using this thing. Turn it off. I mean, it's okay. It's not pushing out a lot of air like I expected it. It should give me enough, which with anything, I'll just use this as a battery charger. I didn't pay for this, so who can get mad? I will probably get the Yolanzi one, and I can just use this as a portable backup charger for my actual camera battery for the go. So it's not a loss. Okay. Okay, there we go. Just wanted to wipe this thing down. This bag has moisture and stuff on it, and it's still wet right there. I don't know why it's wet right there. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.